Hi, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we're going to talk about middle busting your garden. So first I need a tractor, and my tractor of choice is a 2025R compact utility tractor. This tractor is a 25 horse with a hydrostat transmission, and you can see I've equipped my tractor with a hydraulic loader. My choice of loader is an H130 hydraulic loader with a 49-inch bucket. So I've got my tractor, I've got my loader, now I need my middle buster implement. So Frontier offers a middle buster that is iMatch compatible, because yes, I do have an iMatch quick hitch on my tractor. We've got a 15-inch double wing shovel that'll give us a furrows of 1 to 12 inches. So variations of furrow would be for a straight line 1 to 2 inch furrow for tomatoes.
Or if you're going to plant root vegetables like potatoes, you'd want a deeper furrow, maybe 12 inches, for a hill for planting.
So I've got my Frontier middle buster attached to my tractor and loader utilizing my iMatch quick hitch. Now let's see what this middle buster will do in our garden.
Besides digging perfect furrows from 1 to 12 inches deep, this middle buster is also great for harvesting root vegetables like potatoes. Just run it deep through the hill where you've grown your potatoes, and they'll pop right up to the surface. Frontier has more than 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, thank Frontier and your John Deere dealer.